Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all well. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk, VIP. You can also check me out on Instagram and YouTube. If you want, you can also check out my business or my website, www.tellystalkingchalk.ca. If you would like to know about Club Couture, hashtag club in the comments. And if you would like to join Chalk Couture this month, hashtag chalk in the comments. We have a special going on. You can, if you have been a designer in the past in the US, you can join for $19.99 USD. And in Canada, you can rejoin for $0. So if you want to take that offer up, let me know, but you have to do it this month. Let me just get this shared out and I will. What? Oh, we're going the long way again. No. Why? Why do they keep changing this on me? Alright, so I guess I'm not sharing this out right now. So, if you can do that when you jump on, whether you're on with me now or on the replay, that would be awesome. So today we are doing Relax and Accept the Crazy. We're doing it on a Silly board. I want to do this one time on a t-shirt because it's my craze. So, but I just need to get the shirt. But unfortunately, with everything that is not essential is closed, I'm not able to get some. Alright, so I'm just going to put this down on my shirt. I've got my fuzzy. I didn't think I had any left. They're all marked. Yep. Yep. So I'm just going to put this down. This isn't as sticky as I was thinking it was going to be, considering it's first time use, but hey. Alright, but I am going to get the hair out of the... Alright, now, this is going to be the fun part. Yay! Make sure everything's placed right, or at least semi-right. We don't want to make any bubbles in it, because bubbles will make leakage. There we go. So it's pretty, yeah, pretty good. It's not probably 100%, but so I decided that we were going to use Daffodil, Couture Teal, and Raspberry Sorbet. And I'm going to do the Crazy in all three colors. And then I think I'm going to do the heart in the raspberry. And maybe the... I don't know. Which one should I do? Let's start with the heart, because I know I want to do the heart in the pink. No, I am. That part I am. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for the Relax and Accept. In what color?
I do it in blue.
In the... Okay. Yeah. I can do that. Alright, so let's do the heart first, because we had that kind of picked out while we looked at it. It's kind of the no-brainer. Heart, either pink or red, but we're going for our softer colors, so pink it is. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to pick this up. Ooh, if I can. Uh-oh. Where's the... I had the thing over here yesterday. Oh, I got it. Thank you. So normally I wouldn't pick this up like this, but it's not that sticky, so I'm not actually stretching anything. But I want to make sure that that doesn't dry in the transfer. So now I'm going to do the relax and accept that in, we said the blue. Yeah, because then we have the blue, the pink, and then we'll have all the craziness in the middle. Oh, you know what I might do? I might do the CR, like actual crazy in all three colors, and I'll do the dash in the yellow. I think that's my plan, because then I'll have the blue, the yellow, and the pink, and then the whole crazy in. Hey, we got this going. I think we have a plan. That doesn't happen very often, really quick. Normally I have to take a whole bunch of people's ideas and try and figure them out. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. We have our windows open. I know this is going to sound funny, but it's warm here and I'm wearing a sweater. It's how I roll. So we have the windows open while I'm wearing a sweater, and now you can hear people screaming outside. And sirens. Pardon?
Bottom of the E.
Again? Where? Oh, that E.
You like to miss the E's.
I like to miss the bottom of... Well, it's not wanting to... Get in there. It didn't want to go in there. I went over it like 4 times. It just didn't want to go. Alright. So, but I'll hear music in a moment, so just do that. And then... How do my other ones not have their thing in there? Huh. I don't know what I've done. Yeah, they are. All 3 of these are. Dreamy. Oh. No. Okay, if this one's not dreamy, it's just in good shape. Which is not most of mine from before. That's a bit much. You're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Again, I can follow the business page, check out my VIP group, follow me on Instagram and YouTube, and check out my website, tellystalkingchuck.ca. Did I pull this up for that part yet? No. For the blue? I didn't pull out for the blue. Okay, well, we'll see. We can hope. Oh, it's okay. Be good. He did good. Did that all in nice time. Well, and the thing is because it's creamy dreamy, it does take a little bit longer to dry, so we can work with bigger transfers and stuff like that. Alright, now this is where we're going to put a bunch of it in different places. Because it's creamy dreamy though, I don't want to use a lot of it. But for us to do what we're attempting to do, I'm going to have to put at least a bit of it in places. Oh, that was a big chunk. Alright, so I'm going to put that away for now because the darker colors will try to saturate the brighter colors. So if you want the brighter colors to pop, you put less of the darker colors in. It's a cool concept. Makes sense. So when I put the next color in, all we're going to do is drag it around and hopefully see what comes out of this. But again, I'm using paste and we're on a Chalk Tour chalkboard piece, so it is washable. If I don't like the way that it came out, we can always get rid of it. We'll try again. That's why I'm also not trying to use as much of the paste. I just want to make sure that every letter's got enough of the paste though to go around. Let's go here. And why not there? Alright, so here we go. We're just going to take it and we're going to scrape it and pull it. Depending on how much you put on, it may dry really quick also, so that can happen. And it will tend to clump in some areas and look like blobs, but that's okay. So we just want to make sure that it's nicely coated. Try not to mix them too much with the fact that I've got a bunch of the different colors on the one squeegee, but that's okay. Oh, it's a lot of yellow on that as well. I just said what I was not trying to do, but again, I could have watered these down as well to do this, but hindsight's 2020. sure, but we got all our edges. Because we just talked about that. All my edges are all weird. I think we got everything. Does it look like we got everything on your end? Yep. Okay. Let's pull this up and see what happens. It does look crazy on this side. I like how pastel-y it comes out. There we go, leave that stuff there. Look how cute. There are some stuff that came up, but it's actually not bad. It looks like it's supposed to. Some parts where it didn't come up, it looks like. Because it's coming up on all of them. So it kind of looks right. But I like it. But this is all I have for you today. Again, like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP. Check me out on YouTube and Instagram. And check out my website, tellystalkingchalk.ca. And again, if you want any information on Club Couture, #club. And if you want to know about Chalk Couture, #chalk in the comments. And I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.